Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Elements gives you 3 workspaces for editing your images. Expert Edit Mode gives you the full range of tools offered by Elements, including text and painting tools. Quick Edit Mode gives you only a few of the tools offered in Expert Edit Mode. Quick Edit Mode is used when you need to make just a few small modifications to your image. The toolbox in Quick Edit Mode is replaced by a handful of tools: the Zoom tool, the Hand tool, the Selection Brush tools, the Red Eye Removal tool, the Whiten Teeth tool, the Straighten tool, the Type tools, the Healing Brush tools, the Crop tool, and the Move tool. In addition, the panels within the panel bin in Quick Edit Mode only contain controls for things such as exposure and color. You'll also notice that many of the menu commands in the menu bar are grayed out or not functional. Due to its limited capabilities, most of the lessons in this chapter will concentrate on using Expert Edit Mode. Switching between workspaces is quite easy. In both edit modes, simply click the button located in the Shortcuts bar for the edit mode you want to enter. Elements also provide you with a third option called Guided Edit Mode. When using Guided Edit Mode, Elements presents you with several basic and common functions from which to choose. When you click one of these, Elements gives you the instructions and/or tools necessary to perform the action, sometimes through a wizard. Follow the instructions provided within Guided Edit Mode and click the Done button after making your selections. Note that these actions are all actions that you can perform manually as well.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.